In 2025, the world lost many legendary names. This video reveals who they were and the causes of their deaths. Robert Redford passed away due to natural causes. George Foreman passed away due to natural causes. Angie Stone died in a car crash. Diane Keaton died from pneumonia. Emily Deacon passed away after battling cancer. Robert Fleck died following cardiac arrest. Ozzy Osbourne passed away after suffering a heart attack. Richard Chamberlain died following a stroke. Lynn Marie Stewart passed away due to a tumor. Malcolm Jamal Warner died due to drowning. Young Scooter passed away due to severe blood loss caused by injuries. Jerry Butler died due to complication related to Parkinson's disease. Brian Wilson passed away after respiratory arrest. Dennis Arndt passed away, but the cause of death was not revealed. Dwayne Wiggins died after battling bladder cancer. Hulk Hogan passed away following a heart attack. Mark Dobbs passed away with the cause of death not revealed. Brian James died due to natural causes. David Lynch passed away due to pulmonary complication. Stedman Pearson died due to complication related to diabetes. Pamela Buck Hasselhoff died by suicide. Connie Francis passed away due to pneumonia. Simon Fisher Baker passed away, but the cause of death was not revealed. Peter Jens died after battling cancer. June Lockhart passed away due to natural causes. DJ Ankh died after suffering cardiac arrest. Lee Ju Sil passed away due to stomach cancer. Ace Frehley died as a result of brain bleeding. James Shepard passed away due to pneumonia. Marian Faithfull died after battling breast cancer. Jeff Bena died by suicide. Francisco San Martin died by suicide. Val Kilmer passed away due to pneumonia. Terence Stamp passed away, but the cause of death was not revealed. Joan Plowright passed away due to natural causes. Patty Maloney died following a stroke. Jerry Adler passed away with the cause of death not revealed. Paul Dannon died due to a drug overdose. Richard Norton passed away, but the cause of death was not revealed. Tristan Rogers died after battling lung cancer. Tony Slattery passed away following a heart attack. Leslie Charlson died due to blunt head trauma. D'Angelo passed away due to pancreatic cancer. David Johansen died after battling cancer. Bretton Wood passed away due to natural causes. Graham Burke passed away after battling cancer. Gene Hackman died due to heart disease. Peter Yarrow passed away after battling blood cancer. Jay North died due to colorectal cancer. Michelle Trachtenberg passed away due to complication related to diabetes. Claudia Cardinale passed away due to natural causes. Michael Hurley died from natural causes. Jesse Colling Young passed away from cardiovascular disease. Rob Reiner died due to multiple sharp force injuries. Sophie Nightwood passed away, but the cause of death was not revealed. Wings Hauser passed away due to natural causes. Oeni Alton Davis died after being struck by a vehicle. Jean Mars passed away due to complications related to dementia. Bruce Glover passed away due to natural causes. William Rush passed away, but the cause of death was not revealed. Leaky Cat died by suicide. Roy Ayers passed away after a long illness. James Ranson died by hanging. Larry Tamberlin passed away with the cause of death not revealed. Joey Molant passed away due to complication related to diabetes.